Hello friends, in information technology we are learning our second chapter, that is impressive web designing. In that today we will see introduction to HTML. For the purpose of introducing HTML I have made a simple program here, you can see, and I have saved it by first .html. So if you want to make a HTML program, you need to understand that you have to understand that if you are saving this program, you need to give .html extension here and you can save this. So you have to compulsory give .html extension for saving this HTML program, otherwise you cannot run this program in the web browser. So you need to understand that if you are making HTML program, then you have to give extension HTML. So I have already saved it. I am introducing you what is HTML. HTML is the language which helps us to develop and design interactive web pages, and this HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and you can see this signs here, greater than and lesser sign. So these signs includes a tag name. So this is if this opening brace and closing brace is includes what? Tag name. So if you see something including in this opening brace and closing bracket, that is angular bracket, you can say, if you can say if you are watching a name under angular bracket, then that is the tag name. So here first tag is HTML. So that is the first basic tag. If you want to make a HTML program, then you have to write what? HTML and HTML close. That is the basic syntax of your HTML program. What is the basic syntax of your HTML program? Is HTML head, title, title close, head close, body, body close, and HTML close. That is the basic syntax of your HTML program. So other things are mandatory. Other things we have to add in the programs. But if you want to make the HTML program, the basic things you need are these. Which? HTML head, title, title close, head close, body, body close, and HTML close. So these are the basic syntax of your HTML program. So what is body and what is head? We will see. What is head? Head is the title bar of your web page. When I will run, I will show you by comparing the program. And what is body? Body is the content you want to show on the web page. That is the body of your web page. Whatever the content you want to show on the web page is your body of the web page, and whatever the title or title bar of the web page is included in the head tag, and the title is given under the name under the tag title and title close. So there are different purposes of head tag. So we will see further when we learn more about it. So that is the basic things I am telling you. And here I am using a simple header tag. I have included it for making interactive. We will see these header tags further in the programming. So you just need to know that is the H1 is the header tag, and this is the simple sentence I have written in the program. What is the sentence? Attribute value of the attribute. This is my first web page. So we are making our first HTML program in this lecture. So I am saving it. I have saved it, and now I will run this program I will go to the location of the program. This is the location of the program where I have saved it, and I will just double click on the program. You can see this symbol. If you are not having Chrome, you can see Internet Explorer here. If you made, see this symbol here, I am showing you at the bottom of the page is, if you are not having Chrome, then you can see the E symbol. So there is nothing to worry. You can just double click and open that program. So I will show you what is, now this is your head now. So this is your head and title is given here. So the title was this first page, and that can be displayed here only. So you can see the first page here, and this is what all about the green color of your body. So it is given in the body BG color. Now what is BG color? BG color is the attribute, or you can say the property of body tag. So how you wants your body color, that is decided by this attribute, and that is equal to green. If I give red here, the color will change to red. So I am showing you simply, if I make red here and I save this program, then my page color will be shown as a red. So if I rerun this program, my page color will be red. So that is what the attribute of your particular tag. We are going to see different attributes of different tags. So you need to understand that what is attribute. Attribute is just the property of the tag, how that tag is going to appear when we are running the program. So that is our simple first program of HTML, and that is all about the basic syntax of HTML, and we will see further impressive web designing in the next lectures. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.